seconds. Yup. Buang sangat daripada apa yang aku jangkakan. And here we are. Apparently this channel is almost going to be like a hotel review channel, which I will not allow it to be. But here I am again. I went to my friend's wedding and just decided to, sorry because of the background noise, but the thing about the hotel is I really like it. First of all, everything is going good. It's a 3-star hotel. If you want to know more, links in the description below. The one thing that I always look out, because I have been experienced it twice, from the Dorset Hotel and the one that we have in Port Dickson, it didn't went well, you know. But the good thing is the bathroom can be locked. Alright, it works. Finally, after 3 attempts, it works. I don't know if that's the style of the hotel nowadays, but you know, just want to be romantic, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, that's the features that we need the most. Whew. Apparently, I have this conversation with my friends a few days ago about how, you know, TikTok videos steals your attention from YouTube. I mean from everything, like literally. There's a lot of TikTok videos that's like 10 seconds long, 25 seconds long, and you know, it's like the short form videos nowadays like shorten your attention span. And we see a lot of these giant tech and social media's platform try to implement this just to gain audiences. Like YouTube YouTube already introduced Shorts, and Instagram already introduced Reels, 15 seconds. I'm not sure because I've quit Instagram like 1 year ago. And but the thing about it is it good? I mean it's good because you know, people will come in, will log into the YouTube and Instagram, and hence queuing the traffic, and that's good for them as a company. But as a content creator, you know, we need to adapt. It's much expected. Oh, let's see here. Oh shit. Wow. Okay. It's weird. When is the last time? This is the thing that I figure out by myself. Which is, when was the last time that you watch videos, any videos, let's say it's a 10-minute videos on YouTube, and you feel like suddenly your hands are crawling around finding your smartphones, and you look at it. After like 1 minute, 2 minutes, the video already started, whether it's good or bad. Especially when you consuming something and you still feel not enough. It's like a dopamine effect. I still like a 10 minutes video. I still like a 20 minutes video. I still like to watch podcasts and not just listening it from the background, as a background. The basic things about the short form videos is you can have this type of entertainment, a lot of entertainments in a shorter amount of times, and we feel more and more, you know, not enough of it. That's really a scariest thing. Okay. I heard one of my friends say, hey, you should produce like a 3 minutes video, and I was like, I disagree, because I would like to make a long videos like 10 minutes or something. And you know, if a vlog is good enough for 10 minutes, it means you're a great vlogger, you know. Here are the things. When you have 10 million views for a 30 seconds video, it doesn't worth as much as 10 million views for 10-minute videos. Well, of course, the views is varies because you know, like Facebook, I think it's 30 seconds clicking into the videos and it counts as 1 views. And for YouTube, I think it's about a minute or something. I might be wrong. You might need to check it back. Look at this. Appetizer sandwiches. Roti bakar is 11 ringgit. God damn. That's the thing, because it challenged myself to keep my audiences happy, you know, and engaging and entertaining for the whole 10 minutes. It's not about, you know, it's not about putting filter to my face or here and there. I like all movies that the setup is there's a slow setup on things and stuff, and not really about all these graphics and flashy kind of moves, the CGIs, all this thing is good, but the thing that I like the most is the storyline itself. And to have the storyline, good storyline, most of good storyline, they require times for the build up. I still need to capture the new audience, and it's challenge for me to do the things that I don't really enjoy to do but I want to do. But whatever it is, if I can do short videos, I'll do it. But it is not my thing. I will not do it I will not make it as my thing, because I know my niche. Alright, this is the lesson for those who stay in hotel and bought an outside noodles. Remember that they will not provide fork or chopstick on that matter, so I need to improvise. I don't know how I want to eat it, but the strat is I will need to eat this noodles with this teaspoon. It does smells like takoyaki. Let's see how I want to eat it. I will not record how I want to eat it because I can imagine how ugly I am. So just enjoy this footage of the room I've stayed in. I believe the only proven, not really proven, the only theory that I really believe is the good way to detox yourself from this is just read books, you know. What from my observation is, back in my days, you know, we don't really play with the whole smartphone things, and we don't really have smartphones back then. We don't even have smartphones back then, so we just play with, you know, like a buckle, like one eraser, pen, pencils, and blocks, Legos and stuff, you know, and we create them into robots and try to fight them. But nowadays people, especially the younger generations, just, you know, log in into this smartphone and download the games and stuff. So the idea behind that is, when I was a kid, when we were a kid, especially the people that on their 20s and 30s, you know, when they play like that, when they play Legos and stuff, when they play puzzles, like the mind creating something, you know, like when you read a fiction book, your mind creating something, you know, like they describe the character in the books as like a white and a black hair, blue eyes and whatever, and your mind is creating it rather than consuming it. This one make your brain much stronger and have this ability to, you know, imagine things out of the box, and it trains your mind to do so, and that's good. But nowadays we are only consuming things. We don't really create anything. We're consuming things, you know, and it's very, very different world we live in, and very different, you know, surrounding, I can say. I don't know if that's the right vocabulary, but that's a very different, yeah, surrounding to get yourself into. But reading books again, it really helps me a lot. I've tried to read a lot of these new books nowadays and try to stay away. It's not really stay away, I will never stay away from social media or anything like that, but just to keep it limited, to somehow, some way have my attention span in my control. You know, I control my attention span. I control when I want to have my hands on my smartphones. I control myself. If I want to focus on the, let's say, YouTube videos or 10-minute YouTube videos, start to detox yourself. Fitri Dashta.
29, Tots advantage, still 59 available. Yeah, close.
Ay, oo, 4 minutes.